तो आज मैं इंडियन मेकअप लुक शेयर करूंगी. यू कैन ट्राई दिस लुक फॉर एनी इंडियन आउटफिट्स और फेस्टिवल्स. इट्स अ वेरी मॉडर्न एंड एलिगेंट लुक. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So first things first, I'm using moisturizer. So I'm using Nivea Extra White Firm and Smooth moisturizer, which has 40 times more vitamin C. It helps to nourish and keep your skin deep down moisturized and smooth. Next, I'm going to use a warm nude shade Too Faced Cosmetics Peach Perfect Oil Free Foundation. It is a long lasting foundation and it has a very light coverage. So it's perfect for people who don't like to wear heavy makeup for longer time. Next, I'm going to use Born This Way Too Faced Cosmetics Multi Use Sculpting Concealer to conceal under eyes as well as my eyelids. And this is shade Warm Beige. With the help of a brush, I'm going to conceal the area around the eyes. Next, I'm using Sleek palette and I'm going to use this dark brown matte finish shade on my crease bone and glittery golden eyeshadow on the inner eyelid. Very simple, easy. If you have golden glitters, you can also apply that, but this has enough of glitter. Next, I'm using Lakme liquid foundation. Lakme liquid eyeliner, and I'm making a very thick bold eyeliner, and I'm not going to wing it out now. I'm going to wing it out later, so stay tuned. And then I'm going to use Urban Decay eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to tight line as well as apply kajal on my lower lash line. This kajal has 24 hours glide on pencil, which is very smooth for application. Next, with the help of a small sponge, I'm going to apply a highlighting powder in the shade Banana, which is quite natural, on my lower eyelids just to make sure the kajal does not smudge. And then with the help of L'Oreal Paris foundation, this is a high coverage powder foundation. I'm going to cover my face and then move on to the blush. Blush is a new technique where I apply it on the cheekbones, the high points of my cheekbones, and then take it a bit on the tip of the nose and blend it very well. The blush palette that I use today is 10 blush palette from the Coastal Scents Cosmetic, and it's so smooth to apply. Next, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Glowing Kit and I applied the highlighter in shade Star Burst on the tip of my cheekbones and little bit on brow bones. This helps this gives a great highlighting on the eyes. Now, with the help of the Lakme liquid liner, I'm going to wing out my eyeliner. This is the finishing touch of your eye makeup. So eyeliner, I'm going to wing out in a very step by step process, and then again I'm going to take Coastal Scents blush palette and using a bronzer from the palette to highlight the cheekbones to slim down my face and the side of my nose. A little bit of contouring goes a long way. Next, I'm going to apply mascara, few coats of it on upper and lower lash line. I'm using water resistant mascara from Cover Girl Cosmetics, and this is a great before applying the eyelashes. Next, I'm going to fill in the eyebrows. It is a special step which I like to do at the end of my eye makeup because I need to make my eyebrows look bolder. So I'm going to mix a brown and a black eyeshadow and fill in the gaps. After filling the gaps with the brush, it makes my eyebrows look really fuller. You can see the difference between the two brows. तो आप दोनों ब्रोज पे ये eyebrow powder लगाइए and your eye makeup will completely pop up. Another important step here is that make sure when you're blending your eyebrow powder, it does not have any fallouts, otherwise it will spoil all the eye makeup that you have done so far. Finally, this is a step which you can skip completely, but I wanted to glamorize this look. So I'm wearing fake eyelashes with the help of a duo lash glue. I'm going to apply on both my eyelids. And my favorite step and the star of this tutorial is my MAC Cosmetics Sheen Supreme Impressive lipstick, and it has a very nice nude shade which has little bit of glass. So I'm just finishing up the look by just touching up my Urban Decay glide on eye pencil and a little bit of highlighter, and here is the complete look. I did apply a small bindi and just straightened my hair, and I styled it with a kurta and a salwar and a mojri and some Indian bangles, necklace and earrings. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You can try this for Raksha Bandhan, or if you want to try this for any other Indian outfits as well. It looks so good. The eyes are bold and glam. And here completes the final makeup look and the outfit look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you like this video. अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया है तो please click on the subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.